What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an exciting crypto or a project. As you guys can see, it has been performing very well over the last couple of days, pumping from about, let's have a look, 8 cents all the way up to 48 cents right now. It did peak up to 53 cents earlier today. So yes, guys, LimeWire has pumped up over 113% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 46 cents. And if I zoom out to a 7 days chart, yeah, absolutely crazy. 430% in the last, not even week, I would say in the last 3-4 days, guys. It's been performing absolutely crazy. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to crash back down in value, or is it going to peak up, potentially hitting the dollar mark over the coming days or potentially coming weeks as well, depending on how fast it pumps up in value. So a lot of people are scared to invest into it right now only because it's pumped up so much. Is it overvalued? Is it going to crash back down? And a lot of people are thinking, should I sell it now? Should I wait for it to pump up a little bit higher, take out more profit, so on and so on. So that's essentially what we're going to cover today, both buyers and sellers point of view. And we are also going to go through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks and months as well, with 2024 just around the corner. What is LimeWire's expectations, and is this a must-have crypto in your cryptocurrency portfolio for 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the LimeWire candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, this is very interesting as it has broken out from the red zone straight into the green zone, and right now trading into the green zone. But the whole question is it going to crash back down into the red zone, or is it going to peak up from here onwards? So that's for later on in the video, so I'm going to hide this for now, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of LimeWire, which is the SMA indicator, which is here in purple at 14 cents. However, LimeWire is performing absolutely crazy, way higher than its average value at 48 cents right now, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. And you guys may have noticed the crypto market is more on the red side today. However, LimeWire hasn't given up, and it has been pumping quite consistently over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, past 7 days. It has been hitting green candles every single day. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, here we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from LimeWire over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting LimeWire to be trading around 47 to 48 cents in target, somewhere in between where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at this price range over the next 12 to 14 hours. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 52, 53 cents, and then dropping back down to around 43, 44 cents over the next couple of hours, and then hovering around 47 to 48 cents is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we got the blue and the orange line on the positive side. They're both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning it is quite realistic. So guys, do expect an overall increase in value from LimeWire over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting LimeWire to be heading over the 63 cents target by the end of this week and early next week as well. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days, even though it has for the last week. I'm not expecting it to keep carrying on that way. We are likely to see the odd red day in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, heading over 60 cents in target by the end of this week is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, as you guys can notice, the blue and the orange line, they're not looking, well, they are looking very steep, unlike the last two charts we've seen, meaning this is not realistic at all. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks that is going to carry on pumping that way at that pace, so on and so on over the next couple of weeks. However, that is not the case. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I am expecting LimeWire to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, guys. That's probably not some of you guys, that's probably not what you expected, but yes guys, I'm expecting an overall drop in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December. Towards the end of the year, I'm expecting LimeWire to be trading around 37 to 39 cents by the end of the year is what my predictions are at the moment. But again, over the coming weeks, I'm expecting it to crash back down to around the 20 cents target, or just below 20 cents by mid to late November, and then slowly gaining value up to around 35-37 cents by the end of December is what my predictions are. So yes, it is going to be quite volatile, but again, do expect dips, guys. Let me explain it a little bit more. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, it is in the green zone right now, but over the next few days, I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone and then head back into the green zone, and by mid to late November, we should be all the way back down here. This is what my expectations are. However, if there are any changes, for example, if LimeWire go for a major upgrade or any updates that can have a potential impact on its value, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, the dollar mark, I'm not expecting it anytime soon, as it is required to hit the top tier level, which is here, to hit the dollar mark, which I'm expecting it to hit hopefully in Q2 of 2024, so around 6 to 8 months time. So those of you wondering what would be my ideal situation right now, would I buy it, would I sell it? I wouldn't buy it, that's for sure. Only reason is it is way overvalued at the moment, and I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. And even if it did drop back down in value, I still wouldn't buy it. Only reason is the buying price for this specific crypto, personally, it would be around 10 cents, guys. Anywhere, anything above 10 cents, I would not consider buying it. But yeah, it's entirely up to you guys. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction. And to sell it, yes, I would sell it right now, but not all of it. For example, I'm going to give you an example as I usually do. If I had $1,000 and I was on a profit right now, I would sell about $300 worth, which is essentially 30% of what I've got. And then if it does pump up to around 55 to 57 cents, I would sell out another 300%, which is not 300%, $300, which is another 30%. And so I'm taking out some profits, but then I also still got some investment in LimeWire. And yeah, that is the most clever way to do it. Well, I find it the most clever way to do it, as you still got some in there and you've already taken out some profit as well, so it works both ways. But yeah, this is my take on LimeWire, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.